concerns because we understand that we have some damage up here in Grady County because of the thunderstorms that have just rolled through around Chickasha, and that is spreading on down toward the south. So again, we have damage. We have reports of numerous trees down up here in Chickasha, very close by. That is going to be spreading down toward Marlow.
So there's a tornado going on?
Huh?
There's
Huh?
There's like a warning.
Oh, did you just come back?
Yeah.
We left Lester in his cage all day long. From 7 to 7 this morning. He did not go there. He got up at 5:30. Or at 6. I was like, wow, you're like the best dog right now.
Vete secado.
Right.
Vete secado. It's saying that we need to stay inside away from the window. But it's channel 7. Vamos para adentro, vente.
Vamos para Walmart. Mira, mira, se está formando ahí. Ah, que no venga ningún tornado, me cago en la madre.
Some potential that we could have some hail that would be falling to around quarter size in diameter. So this is pushing down to the south. A lot of cloud to ground lightning is indicated as well with this particular storm that's coming into Tillman County from Kiowa County and also Comanche County. I haven't mentioned Chattanooga and Thaxton, but still there's this threat just to your north that we have this line coming in. All of this is pushing on down toward the south. It still looks like to me this is intensifying just close to Elgin, just southwest of there.